Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks. Zena's here. Can you say hi to everybody? Yes. Wyatt's here. Say hello. Yes. So we're all here to bring you another unboxing video. My Stitch Fix came. Yay, Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix is a styling service. Probably all of you are familiar with it, but just in case this is the first time you've seen a Stitch Fix unboxing. It is a styling service. Complete a profile. $20 styling fee. Comes off of anything that you decide to keep. You get 5 items and a range of bags, shoes, jewelry, clothing based on your profile. I choose not to get bags or jewelry. Keep all, get a 25% discount. Otherwise, just keep what you love, return what you don't. Free shipping both ways. And they do offer up the style quiz. If you complete that quiz, it does help your stylist understand what you like and what you don't like. That's offered through the app, which you can download on your phone or your iPad or whatever device you use, and you can also play online. So once you get your box, it usually looks something like this. And right inside the flap, it also tells you what to do next. So let's check out my bundle. You do get an envelope to return everything. And another envelope that has your stylist notes as well as your price sheet. All right, here's my bundle. I see color. Looks fun. Let me make sure my stylist is Jess. That's all I'm going to look at for right now. It is. So Jess has been my stylist for quite some time. So I'm excited about that. We'll read her notes after we check out all of the items, right? Okay, let's begin. First item is, looks like a top, I think. Yeah. First item is a top by I can't even read this. By West Key. That's what it says. By West Key. In this very pretty, I think this looks like plum. I have bad lighting today. I'm doing this at night. I have bad lighting, but I think this looks like a plum color. This is pretty. It has little ties in the front. We'll see if that bothers me, but that's cute. It's a blouse. It is silky, and it does look like it has elastic here at the elbow. Looks like it's 3/4 sleeve. Next up, this one is by Chaser. I like Chaser. They're nice and soft. They tend to be a little pricey. So this looks like a sweatshirt in this very pretty purple print. Is that gray and purple? That's cute. Next up is by 41 Hawthorn. This looks like a pink blazer. Look how cute that is. So that looks like a 3/4 sleeve blazer. And look at the back. Has that little bit of a peplum style detail, but only in the back. That's cute. All right, next, looks like a sweater by Moon and Madison. A little V-neck sweater. And it looks like it is off-white with all kinds of speckled colors in it. So I'm seeing orange, which is most prominent here. Is that dark blue or green? Yeah. So that's cute. And last item is a pair of jeans by Cut from the Cloth. And look at this embroidery on these jeans. Check these out. What do you guys think of that? So they have a little bit of a light wash to them with all of this floral embroidering down the side, both sides. And these are ankle skinnies. Connie Embroidered Skinny Jean. That's all it says. No, those are kind of cool. Well, let's see what my stylist had to say, and then we'll get to the try on. All right. Hi, Laura. Happy fix day. I'm glad you are getting back on track. Today is your 49th fix. Wow. So I pulled a bit of everything for you. You mentioned you had too many jeans with black embroidery, so I hope that you didn't mean all embroidery. I couldn't resist the cut from the cloth jeans for you. I thought those white details would be perfect for spring. So I did send back the last embroidery jeans she sent me. They had black embroidery on them. That's what she's referring to. I know you also love bright pinks, so the 41 Hawthorn blazer is headed your way as well. This would really dress those jeans up with a solid or even one of your striped knit tops. I know it's a little hard to think about spring when it's all still so chilly, so I also included a chunky cable detail pullover for you to try. This features a long length to keep it cozy and chic. Chaser is one of my favorite brands, so I thought you'd really dig the top I found for your casual days too. Enjoy, XO Jess. So let's get to the try on. I'm excited. I'll be right back. Here are the first two items I put on the cut from the cloth jeans, and I can't remember the name of this blouse. Who is this by? West Key, right? This was the West Key blouse. Okay. So I put them on with these purple shoes I already had in my closet. So point one for this blouse, they match these shoes so well, so I really like it. It is a nice flowy blouse, yet it does come in a little bit at the waist, so I do really like that about it. I'll get a little bit closer so you guys can see. It is a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. And it does have these little side slits, so I do think it's very cute. I like it. I like the color of it. It's probably more fall than spring. It does have this little tie here, and it does pull just a tiny bit at the top, which I think I would have to keep it tied in order for it not to come open, or wear a tank top underneath it if I wanted to leave it hanging open. But luckily with it tied, it's far enough away from my neck that I don't think that's an issue, so I'm okay with it. It does have a little bit of the elastic waist here at the right below the elbow. But I think it's actually a cute top. I'm not sure about the color going into spring, but I feel like it feels more fall to me, but it does match these shoes. Okay, the jeans. So the jeans fit like cut from the cloth do. These are a size 2, so I do have a little bit of room. I probably could size down in them. They do have all of this embroidery down both sides in the white, which is nice going into spring. They fit very well. I like that they stop at the ankle. It would be cute with sandals. And yeah, I think they're cute. I thought embroidery would start to fade out, but I still see a lot of it. So I guess the trend is still going to continue for this year, it seems. All right, let's go to the next outfit. Okay, so here is the Chaser sweatshirt, which is super, super soft in these pretty, pretty floral colors and pattern. I still have the same cut from the cloth jeans on, which I'm just going to leave on for this try on. I've switched out the shoes for my chucks for a casual look, and I like it. It's so nice and soft and cute for a casual day. Throw on a jean jacket or a cute little vest. There's really nothing to not like about it. It's just a cute, casual, comfy piece. I like it. It's a little bit wider at the neck, which is kind of nice for me since I don't like things close to my neck. You could even put on a scarf with this. It'd be cute to pull out the colors in it. So I think it's cute. All right, next. Okay, next up is this V-neck sweater, which has all these colors in it that I can't really even tell what they are. Orange really stands out. I can't decide if the dark color is black or navy or dark purple. I'm really not sure. Has this nice little design through it. Very cute. It is longer, like my stylist said, so it is a nice long length. I think it's actually very cute. I wasn't sure about it, but it is actually very cute. So I just put it on with some black slides, since I wasn't sure what color was in here, to kind of offset all of the lighter colors in this outfit. And I think it's a cute sweater. So the color, if the temperatures don't transition, at least this is a little bit of a lighter shade, has some other colors in it, and it's not bad. I'm curious to see how much these items are, because I'm not minding these. I think they're cute. All right, last we just have the blazer. I will be right back. Last item is this cute pink blazer, which I hope you guys can see. The color, it's very pretty, very cheery, has this very cute front, which I'm hoping is not, I think it looks like it's a little bit wrinkled here. Very cute. So it has these little pockets here in the front. I'm buttoning it so you can see I just put on a white tank top underneath it, since I think it'll be really cute for spring. It does have this little peplum back to it, which I can't see. You guys can see it better than I can. And I think it's a cute bright pink blazer. I like when it's buttoned. It gives you a nice waist detail. I think the back is cute. Hopefully I can't see it that well, so I do see it sticking out a little bit. So maybe it just needs ironed, but I think it's cute. And then if it's open, I think it still looks cute. It's a cute blazer. It is 3/4 sleeve, so it would be nice for summer, spring and summer weather, right? Looks cute with the embroidered jeans and just a white t-shirt or tank. Yeah. All right. I will be right back for a quick wrap up. So let's go over pricing now and talk about each of these items and see what we think. First up is the Moon and Madison Kailey cable detail V-neck top or sweater. So that's this one. And this was $44. So I think that's too bad of a price, especially if I keep everything and I get the discount. I think this was kind of cute. I like that it's a little bit brighter. I like that it has some color in it. It's not super exciting, but it's actually cute. I like that it's a little bit longer and it'll be cozy whenever, you know, the temperatures aren't quite warm enough, but I don't want to keep wearing coats. This would be a nice single layer, right? So when it gets like into the 50s, I could wear this by itself and start to transition for spring is what I'm thinking. So I thought this was cute. Next up, so it's a maybe. So I can tell you everything's a maybe. I need to think about it. Next up is the Cassia tie detail blouse by West Key. So that's the pretty purple top that matched shoes that I already owned, which is a plus, right? So you love when you can match or go with things that are already in your closet. So this was nice because it's a nice silky blouse, dress up an outfit, put it on for jeans for work, put on those shoes that it matched. So this is also a maybe. It pulled a little bit across the chest area, but as long as it was tied, I don't think that it was risk for a wardrobe malfunction. But I feel like this is more fall than spring. But I could wear it now, right? So it's a maybe as well. It was $42, and it's called dark purple is the color they're calling it. Next is the Chaser sweatshirt, which if you guys have seen Chaser, they're absolutely so incredibly soft and wonderful. This is the Chaser Semaj, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, scoop neck knit top. They're calling it in gray. So it looks like it's gray and purple and tan, and it's $54. So I expected that to be expensive. That's what chaser is, right? Unless you can get it on clearance or sale somewhere. $54. It's so soft. I really like it. If I want to keep everything else, I would keep it because then I get the 25% off of it. So it's a maybe. Next is the Cut from the Kloth Connie Embroidered Jeans. And I thought these were cute. I love Cut from the Kloth jeans. I like that it's white embroidery and all white, not colors and crazy. So I liked these. I think I'm going to have to size down in them because I usually do in Cut from the Kloth, and these are not any different. So I had some gaping in the back. These are 88. So, again, it's a maybe. And last was the 41 Hawthorn Shania Peplum back Ponte blazer. So that's this. So I love the color. I think this is really pretty. I do have other pink blazers. This one's different because it has this little kick out in the back, right? So I need to actually see, what did this look like? You guys could see it better than I could in the try on so far. So I'm gonna have to watch the replay, and I'm probably gonna have to try it on again. I might even have to iron it out to see what it looks like without all the wrinkles in it that it has right now, to see where it naturally falls. But I thought this was cute. This was $78. So everything was $306 minus the buy all discount was $76.50, and it would be $229.50. So I don't have the $20 styling credit because I do the style pass for $49. So it would be $229.50 for all 5 items. So considering there's a blazer in here, a sweater, a chaser top, the Cut from the Kloth jeans, $229.50 doesn't seem unreasonable for everything to me. So I need to think about it. Yeah, I need to think about it. If I can size down in the jeans, if I really like the blazer and it's a different color than others that I already own in pink, then I'm thinking maybe it's a buy all. Maybe it's a 5 for 5. I can't talk, but I have to think about it, right? So I also need you guys. Let me know what you think. How did this jacket look? Did it look really cute with the kick out in the back? Zena's getting rowdy here. She's knocking all the pillows off. She thinks we're wrapping up, and she thinks she should have treats. That's what she thinks, right? I will list all of these items down below. I will put my referral link for Stitch Fix in case you want to try it out, because if you use my link, we both get $25 towards our next boxes. So I will put all that information down below. I would love to know what you guys think. If this was a 5 for 5, or if you just have a favorite item, tell me what it is and let me know. Because I need to think, because I thought everything was kind of cute. I don't know if there was like a major standout item or if I just really liked it all. Yeah, I think I need to think about it and watch the replay and hear from you. So please, please, please comment below. Let me know what you thought. And thank you so much for joining us. The dogs are out of control here, getting all rowdy. So it's time to go and calm everybody down. Till next time, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.